Hey guys, welcome back to the Rimmel YouTube channel. I'm Jadine.
And I'm Allison, and we're from the Rimmel social media team.
Whoop whoop!
And today we created these cute, adorable looks together.
So if you want to see how we created these, keep on watching. I'm gonna start by clipping up my hair.
Yeah, me too. I like yours.
Thanks, I like yours too.
Of course I had to go pink, so.
I kind of went gold and sparkly, so. I guess first things first, we'll start with the MAGNIF'EYES eye primer.
Absolutely.
I put the doe foot all over my lid and then I blend it out with my finger.
Genius. Okay. Honestly, eye primer is critical.
I'm gonna start bold now, so I'm going to go into the MAGNIF'EYES Electric Violet Edition palette. I'm going to use this really pretty duochrome lilac color and just put it all over my lid.
And I'm gonna go with the MAGNIF'EYES Reloaded palette, and I'm actually gonna start with this light pink shade right here and then build on it to the deeper, like rosy tones.
Fun fact for everybody watching, all 12 shades in the Reloaded palette were actually voted for by our Rimmel fans. So they're all 12 favorite shades from all of our other MAGNIF'EYES palettes. So dipping time. This shade always makes me feel like I'm on Euphoria. I sometimes even just wear this alone with just mascara. Sometimes you just want to glam it up, you know, for the grocery store.
Absolutely.
I like where this is going.
We love the direction so far.
Yes.
Jadine, what are your favorite parts about like getting ready?
I was just talking to somebody about this earlier. 2 steps. So I really like using mascara, and then I also am a big fan of putting on this. It's a Scandaleyes waterproof gel pencil, like in my waterline, because then it kind of like wakes up your eye.
She's wide awake. Also, I was just noticing that color is absolutely stunning on you.
Thank you.
I started going in with this deeper pink color. This one right here. Blending her out.
Ooh. Now I'm gonna go into a deeper shade. This brighter purple here, and just blend that out on the outer half of my lid.
Okay, I'm actually really loving the way this is all turning out. Yours looks so good.
Guys,
Oh
we're
my
doing good, we're
gosh.
doing it. Like we work in beauty for a living, it's crazy.
I know. What are some of your favorite trends in makeup right now, you think?
My favorite trend right now, I'd have to say, is graphic eyeliner. I've been testing it over and over again. I still don't have it pat, but I just love the look of it. Next up, I'm going to use this really dark violet color right here and put that into my outer V.
Allison update is I'm now taking that deeper color that I was using here and I'm going to put it under my eyelid to kind of just like unify the eye look.
Now, after I'm packing on my eyeshadow onto my brush, I'm actually going to take the Stay Matte setting spray and I'm going to spray my brush so that I get a really, really dark pigmentation on the outside. I just really want to make sure that I get a lot of color. I feel like it takes my eye look to another level.
I'm on a new level. To the Rimmel audience, I just have to say, Jadine is a coworker, but also a close friend. Some of my favorite memories are getting ready with her for a fun night out, maybe a cute dinner in the city. And this is just bringing me back to those moments.
Aw, we always love getting ready with each other, so I hope you guys are having fun. Yes. Also, comment below if you saw us at BeautyCon LA or New York.
Okay, now I have to decide my next move.
What are you thinking?
I think now I've really established the pink.
I love the liner.
Thank you.
Looks so cute.
These metallic shades, the payoff is really good. So now I'm gonna deepen it with the purple also in the MAGNIF'EYES Reloaded palette.
So I had a little oopsie. I'm just gonna go in with the Stay Matte concealer. This is my go-to whenever, you know, we've all been there. Whenever you have a little error, just cover it up with a little bit concealer. You know, sometimes you go a little bit too hard on the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty sponge. And it's like it never happened. Okay, I think I've got the purple down. So I'm actually gonna go into a different palette. I'm gonna use the MAGNIF'EYES Crimson Edition palette, which is another favorite. And I'm going to take this matte, kind of like hot pink fuchsia shade and put it all underneath my eyelid. What's your desert island product? If you could only take one Rimmel product with you, if you're stuck on a deserted island, what would it be?
It would 1000% be Stay Glossy and Seduce Me.
Ooh,
Gotta
good
keep
one.
those lips hydrated. How about you? What would your desert island Rimmel product be?
Mine would be the jelly highlighter in Poppin bottles. So it's this really cool, like gold champagne-y color. So I would just put it all over my high points of my face so they can see me from the sky, you know? Get rescued really fast. The highlight is blinding.
Signaling to the astronauts.
Yeah, this highlight is a blinding, so I'm gonna be found really fast.
Okay, that's literally perfect. Wish I would have thought of that. I am reselecting my desert island product.
We can have both. Glossy lip, little highlight, you know?
Absolutely.
Maybe find myself a date while I'm stuck on my deserted island. Now that I put this pink underneath my eyes, I'm just gonna touch up with a little bit more eyeshadow, just in like some extra spaces, kind of deepen up the purple on the upper lid. So I'm gonna go back into this really dark kind of purple shade. What are you doing?
And I can actually borrow, when you're ready, the setting spray. I want to try your technique with
Sure.
I think that's
Take it away, girl. Ooh, are you using it for eyeliner?
Yeah, I'm gonna again deepen the pink tone that I was kind of lining my eye with this purple one to just like take her home.
Take it home.
I'm also intentionally not putting on my lid, so that way I can put a pop of like lighter color there.
Last move I'm going to do on my eyeshadow is actually just go into this more indigo color here and put this in my outer V.
I'm going to now put this pop of like champagne hue right here.
Ooh.
Right on the inner corner of my eye and make my eyes look bigger and cuter.
They're already cute.
Thanks, girl.
I'm gonna take a note from your book and I'm just gonna take this very, very light champagne color here in the corner and put it in my inner corner and my brow bone.
Work to finish my look and go in with the Wonder Ink liner.
Ooh, I'm actually gonna do the same. Twins.
Twins!
Oh,
Twins!
twins.
Oh my gosh, you know you just like nail it? I feel like I just did that. It's like going pretty well.
Ooh,
Yeah.
it's like a double liner.
Just
Send me good vibes so that I can nail it too.
okay, I'm sending you positive vibrations right now.
Okay, I think I got it. We did it.
Oh my gosh, flawless work, friend. So good.
Ooh.
What I'm gonna do now is hit it with the Scandaleyes mascara, really pump up the volume. And
Wait
bring
for
that-
me.
Okay. Okay, what?
Are you ready for mascara?
Yes, I'm ready for mascara. Let's really take this home with the eyes.
So we're both gonna use this new Scandaleyes Volume On Demand mascara. I think you're gonna use the regular and I'm gonna use the waterproof.
Ooh, ooh.
I actually have really, really stick straight lashes naturally. So I try to just keep it to my base because if I put too much at the edges, my lashes get weighed down.
Oh my gosh,
Yours looks so long.
yours look long. Thanks, Rimmel mascara.
Supermodel work, supermodel work. Feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling my.
All right, I'm gonna leave.
We're both gonna go into the jelly blush now. I'm gonna use shade Cherry Popper.
Mine is obviously gonna be Peach Punch because look at me. Look at this vibe.
It's part of the aesthetic.
It's the aesthetic, Zara.
so bouncy.
Bounce, just bounce. Okay. I'm excited.
Just a couple bounces. Okay, color. First question, what's my favorite color?
Purple.
Correct.
Yes.
Yours is pink.
Yeah.
I don't know if y'all could tell. Favorite food. Obviously yours is pizza. Your Instagram handle's Pizza Nas, so
Yes.
another dead giveaway.
Your favorite food? No, you're
It
just
pairs
such
well
a
with-
foodie.
I'll
so
give you
it's-
a
Okay.
clue. It
Give me a
pairs
clue.
well with pizza. She's like, salad.
Pizza?
More pizza.
Breadsticks?
No, No, you're not at a pizzeria, you're at a restaurant. You're an Italian restaurant.
Pasta. Why did I
Chicken wings.
Those who carve together win together, you know? With that, I'm gonna go in now with the Jelly Bronzer in shade Paradise and kind of deepen my cheekbone line here.
I am going to use the Jelly highlighter in shade Candy Queen and just put this all over the high points of my face. Okay, I almost forgot my eye step. I'm gonna go in with the Scandaleyes gel pencil and just put this into my waterline. I almost forgot.
Now that we're looking glowy, we're just working from, you know,
Top
time to put
down.
the final trimmings on there. What's your move for?
Okay, I'm actually just going to use gloss. I'm going to use the Stay Glossy lip gloss in Down to Gloss. This is my favorite shade. It's like the perfect sparkly nude.
My move is gonna be, I'm gonna go in with the Exaggerate lip liner and just really accentuate the lips. This is shade Enchantment. And then I'm gonna go over it with a matte lipstick, so which I will reveal once I've completed this step. Ooh, so creamy, so precise. Okay, now that I've lined my lips, I'm gonna go in with the Lasting Finish Extreme Lipstick in shade Snatched.
Snatch.
Very fitting.
I love that shade too. It's like the perfect kind of mauve-y, rosy color. I think it matches every skin tone too.
Yeah, it's so versatile. My mom keeps trying to steal it, which is honestly fair. I used to steal all her makeup when I was gonna zhuzh up the hair.
Yeah, a little zhuzhing.
Little zhuzh, zhuzh the bangs. Oh my gosh. Okay.
And we're done. I think we look great.
I know, we do. We
killed
look
it.
fabulous.
Yay.
All right, everybody, thank you so much. These are our final looks. We had such a blast with you.
Don't forget to like this post if you like this video and check out the description below if you want to see all of the products that we used. If you want to see some BTS of the shoot today, check us out on Instagram at OJDeen and
At Pizza Naz.
until then, we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.